Welcome back to my kitchen. So today is Sunday, it's family day. And today's vlog, I'm going to cook again. So level up na ako, naka-apron na ako ngayon. Ayan. And ang dish natin for today is shrimp wraps. Okay? So since February, it's love month. I think this is the best kung if you guys are planning to celebrate Valentine's Day at home kasi since maraming tao ngayon sa mga restaurants and at the same time, di ba, mahal. So, I think this is perfect. So, let's go. Half kilo of medium-sized shrimp, soft corn tortilla, salted butter, so you can have it also unsalted, romaine lettuce, fresh tomatoes, mayonnaise. This is a plain real mayonnaise, and then the sour cream, Worcestershire sauce. Ano ba ito? Ano ito kasi? Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, white vinegar, allspice, seasonings, and then garlic powder, onion powder, Spanish paprika or paprika, and then the cayenne pepper. Okay. Alright, so for now, I'm going to prepare the vegetables and the shrimp. So for the shrimp, syempre tatanggalin natin yung balat niya and din yung head. Lilinisin muna natin, and the vegetables, I'm going to cut it for the preparation. Alright, so hiwain yung tomatoes, romaine lettuce, and then linisin yung shrimp. So this time, gagawin na natin ang secret sauce. So dahil sasabihin ko na ngayon, din na siya secret. Special sauce na siya. Okay, so yep, let's do it. 1/2 cup of mayo. And then 1/4 cup of sour cream. And 1/4 cup of vinegar, and a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. So this is optional. If you don't want to put, that's fine. Teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then let's mix it until wala na yung buo niya. Okay. Just do this. Wow. Looks good. Okay. Ayan. So, yeah. So, nakita nyo, nag-blend na yung mga spices. Ayan. So, this sauce, I'm going to put it in the squeezer, small squeezer, para hindi mahirap i-dressing dun sa wraps. Okay? Let's move now sa shrimp. I-sautein lang natin siya, very quick. So, ano lang tayo, medium fire, or mas mahina pa doon, small fire lang. And then, isi-season lang natin siya with garlic powder and of course the magic sarap. So optional, if you're not using magic sarap, just put salt and pepper. So that's fine. Ako, sprinkle ko lang siya ng konti. Alright, ayan, medyo mainit na ang ating pan. So, since I'm using the salted butter, hindi na ako maglalagay ng salt. Okay, so we're all done sa ingredients ng ating shrimp wraps. And, ito na yung ating romaine lettuce, tomatoes, and yung shrimp, and ang ating special sauce. So, kung makikita nyo, nilagay ko siya sa squeezer na maliit. Let's do the shrimp wrap. So, since this is a medium size ng shrimp, we can put like 4 or 5. Ayan. So, make it 5, and then we will put the romaine lettuce. So, depende sa inyo kung love nyo ang romaine lettuce, you can put more. And then, the tomatoes. So, make sure lang na nag-wash ng hands. Ayan. Kung love nyo rin ang tomatoes, pwede nyo dagdagan. And then, syempre, ang ating sauce. Okay. Wow! Alright. And then, flip lang natin this side. And this side. And this side. Sarap. Mas masarap siya, dagdagan natin ng yummy. Ano? Alright guys, so try nyo rin to sa bahay. Ang sarap lang ng Valentine's. Serve nyo sa inyong mga loved ones. Okay, so thank you for watching. And hope to see you on my next cooking vlog. Bye-bye!